Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install XRay mod for Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for XRay Ultimate. After that, access the CurseForge website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, access the Files tab from the top and then choose the file that is compatible with your current game version. Next, download the file by clicking on the three dots icon and then selecting Download. After downloading the resource pack, launch the game and access options from the main menu. Then, access resource packs and then open the resource packs folder. Inside it, paste the downloaded XRay file and then close it. As you can see, the resource pack has been successfully added to the game. Now you just need to add it and then launch the game to use it. So that's basically how you can download and install XRay mod for Minecraft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.